Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday I made a video about this 3D and I started playing around with it. I thought this would look pretty cool with a Batman type glow behind it maybe. The one thing you want to think about the whole time you're doing this is to nudge and not move anything. So we're going to make a duplicate of that guy and nudge it over. Now, for just a second, I'm going to do that. And this was a little bit more of a challenge than I normally would come about. I need to make the outline of that. So I took my Smart Fill tool and look what it did. It just did the outline of the shadow. So I had to take these two pieces. There are two pieces here. And I had to weld them together, which ruins it. But it doesn't matter. I have the original over here, if you remember. So now I can take my Smart Fill tool and I get that outline. So now I'm going to fill in that outline and nudge it over. And I'm going to left click, right click. And then I'm going to go to Effects and Contour just like a ½ inch to the outside. And I get that. Now go up to Object and break the contour apart. If you click on the center one, it should move the center one. So here's the bigger one. Now I'm going to bring this blue box down so I can see what is happening because I'm going to fill this in with white. I'm going to take away the outline. Then I'm going to go to Effects and Blur, and I'm going to Gaussian blur quite a bit. And I'm going to move my handle more to the right. And I'm going to actually blur it quite a bit. Then I can take my blur and move it up. And I've got to go to, now this is where you have to think about it. You've got to go to Object, Order, back a page. But that put it, what did it? Let me move this blue box. See, now I've got so many things going on. Let me move the blue box back. You know, that's the white. I was looking down and go up to Object, Order. Well, you know what? I'm going to just try to move my blue to the back of the page. This is kind of why I decided to make the video. This is a little bit of a challenge here. I've got so many shadows going on that's what's kind of happening. So what I need to do is grab this and make sure it's on the front of the page. Then I can move my shadow back. There we go. So I was just kind of doing the wrong thing. But that looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.